stream and everybody comes around and take a run and hide yourself. Take hearts on the run and hide away.
Welcome back, everyone, to a brand new Lemma Vlogs video. And what are we doing today, Ralphie?
Putting forks in microwaves.
We just have a bunch of random stuff that you're not really supposed to put in a microwave, like this kickstart. I don't know if you're really supposed to microwave that or not. That's okay.
Why would you microwave a banana?
That's the thing. Why would you microwave a banana? Or a full bag of popcorn. That's going to be really interesting.
We should go buy
Or
1,000
eggs.
nuggets.
That's next video, maybe.
No, it's not.
Well, we didn't buy a brand new microwave. We found this one online for $10. So.
Didn't you buy perfectly brand new fruit and smash it with a baseball bat?
Yeah, that was literally last video. Go watch that one. And then, so we have this old microwave, probably like 1980s or something at least. But we'll see how well it works with these eggs in it. Okay, let's start it. Uh-oh, one just popped inside. Oh! Oh! The microwave stopped. Oh, the microwave blew up.
Did you break it?
Hey, they're finished.
Look, we got.
Oh my god,
so
this smells so bad.
Oh, we got Ralphie's gagging over here. Oh, they're screaming.
They're screaming.
There's screaming eggs in there. Ralphie's up on
They-
the porch hiding. It smells so bad.
But here's the thing, the microwave stopped. Is it still okay?
Because the door opened.
Just because the door opened. That's
Oh
why.
yeah, you're right.
That was a dog barking. Yeah,
Oh.
that dog smells it.
Oh,
Alright.
they're hot. Oh! Okay, next is the popcorn. We're just gonna dump it in. Oh my gosh.
Oh, I wonder what's gonna happen.
Okay, here we go.
Here, take the camera off. So I'm backing up.
Oh, I wonder what's gonna happen.
Hold on, it should take a minute 45 seconds to start popping.
Yeah. Look at those eggs.
It's been on for about 5 minutes. We're just gonna take a quick peek.
Okay, this is too long. I got
It's
one
slowly
more.
popping. It's like a movie out here. We're just sitting around just waiting
Watching
for our popcorn to
popcorn.
pop.
We're not until the door flies open. We get
How
hit
bored
in
do
the
you have
face
to be
with
at a
kernels.
skid chair, lawn chairs out, start watching popcorn?
How long is this taking, Austin? This microwave can't be that old.
I don't know. That's a good question.
Oh, I hear it. It's going now.
It's going now.
Those eggs are still on the ground. If anybody's hungry, come on over. Get some beat up scrambled eggs. Still popping popcorn.
It's popping. Waiting and waiting. Alright, we decided that we're gonna stop the popcorn. Because normally you don't put. It's not even really.
Oh, it's still going. Okay, get the tray out.
Here, let's. Oh, it's hot.
Well, no shit.
Is it hot or no?
The tray. Oh, it's warm.
Don't dump it on the ground because we'll have kernels everywhere. Wait till it gets cold. No, get gloves on real quick.
It's okay.
No.
Oh,
Don't dump it on the ground.
oh, it's hot.
Here, have the trash can ready to dump.
All right, next is these marshmallows.
Popcorn kernels will set on fire.
Alright, record it, Austin.
All right, there they go.
Jumbo.
Whoa, look at that. There's some big marshmallows now. I think that's all they actually do.
Well, keep it in there a little longer. Here.
Keep it
I
cooking.
want to see the fork, man. I'm waiting.
Okay, let's see the final.
Oh my God.
They're just expanding. So that's why they're gonna be super hot though. Just touch it.
I'm not touching it.
Oh, it's hot.
Alright, you better leave them in there. You're not getting those out.
Here, just
Alright, how about we? Okay, we're just gonna leave them in there.
You're gonna have
This is the slime.
If I step in
Here. We're gonna put the slime right there. I'm gonna put the Play-Doh right there. Quick update. I feel like that's not. Oh my gosh. The Play-Doh and slime. The slime is just melting. And Play-Doh's just sitting there.
You're an idiot.
Is it hot?
No. Yeah, it's a little warm.
It's not gonna blow up though. Oh my gosh. Okay, so we got that cleaned out a little bit. The marshmallows, the slime, and then the Play-Doh didn't really do much. Next, we're gonna do these Wendy's sauces, a banana, and a lemon vlogs wristband.
When we have the cookout next week, the marshmallows are already in the bonfire, so we're good.
Yep.
Just dig 'em out. Just dig 'em
Here we
out.
go.
Alright, so what's
Show them
this?
us.
What's this? We got Wendy's sauces, we got a lemon ball bracelet, and we have a banana. Let's see what happens.
Okay, we're gonna be done with this stuff.
Just throw the forks in there already.
We're gonna put the. Oh my god, this is so bad. Here, we're gonna move that over there. We're gonna move that. Oh, that was hot. Okay, we're gonna put the forks and spoons and the kickstart in there all at once.
Putting everything in there.
Yeah.
Wait, what about the plate on the goose? Did you put that in yet?
Yeah. It didn't do anything.
Wait,
Okay. Let's pull that out.
So
we got some-
this is disgusting. So we got some spoons and forks. We have a kickstart, and then all that sauce is like melted, and we got some goopy marshmallow back there.
Here's the grand finale.
Alright, I'm like playing.
It's like not doing anything. Oh yeah, you can really smell it. The kickstart, I can't believe that didn't do anything.
I'm so confused. Ralphie the firefighter, you better be ready.
Yeah, Ralphie.
Ralphie, go behind and touch it. See if you can feel the heat off of it.
Just touch the top of the microwave. See if it's hot.
It feels like a grill.
Oh, it's good! It's on fire! It's on fire inside! Brandon, get the hose! It's on fire inside!
Ralphie, get the hose!
Grab me! It's,
Ralphie, get the hose! Get the hose! Hurry, get the hose!
it's on fire inside! No, don't squirt it yet! Don't squirt it yet! It's on fire, you can see flames shooting up in it.
Hurry, put it out! Put it out! Okay, you want me to? You put it out, sparking!
Put it out!
Put it out, Ralph, put it out.
Hold on, wait, stop. Let me open it up. Oh my gosh! Here, hurry up!
Hurry, put it out, Ralph, put it out. Was it really on fire?
Yeah!
Hurry, Ralph, put it out. Right. Sure, Ralph, throw water in there.
Here, hold the door open.
Hurry, Ralph, put
Go.
it out, put it out. What is that?
Oh my gosh.
What is that? Is that like this barbecue sauce? Alright, yeah, Ralphie, wash it out. Alright,
Well, here, wash it out real quick. We have to take it back to our neighbor.
who wants
You're giving it back.
who wants a free microwave?
It still works. It caught on fire once. Boom!
Now the plug's all wet. That's great.
Alright, everyone. That's going to be the end of the video.
Okay.
Anything you have to say, Ralphie or Brandon?
No.
Nope, nothing.
Make sure you subscribe.
Yep.
And anything else?
Nope.
We just got done eating Wendy's, the spicy chicken nuggets.
Okay, I'll see you guys next time. See ya.